to Food Lion, and I got fish oil in here for $8.99, and I got $5 coupon, so that's gonna be $3.99. Super cheap. That's done. So now I am gonna look for the soda because so there is on sale. The Dr. Pepper is on sale for 69 cents for 2 liters. So we're gonna look for that. So you guys, I found it, and this is 0 calorie. Wait, yeah, it says 0 calories, 2 liters. So we're gonna get 10 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 8. Another one diet. 10. Oh my god, where's my coupon? So I got 10 Dr. Pepper for 69 cents each, and then what do you call 69 cents each. I have 10, so that's gonna be $6.90, and then I have $2 cash back. I mean that it's a cash reward from Food Lion last week. I am gonna use those. So for all of the soda right here, I'm only gonna pay for $4.90. So let's go and pay.